This is a quick recording of the Dolphin for production system. I can just quickly show you how it works. So in the production system, you basically see a list of all your jobs and so your orders basically that are in the factory. And in this system, you can create delivery notes, invoices, do your stock control, and also see the time that's been logged against each job. So in the list of jobs here, you can see this, if they've already been invoiced, if they've been delivered, you can see where they currently are in your factory, and you can see the time that's been logged against each job so far. You can also see the job status, the value, and so on. So let's work with this first job on the list here because it hasn't been invoiced or delivered yet. So if I can go now quickly create a delivery note. So I'll just do that, a new delivery, and there I get a new delivery note. Now I can easily split my deliveries across multiple days or to multiple different addresses. So I can just go change the quantity. So it was 2000, so I'll change it, say, to 500. And I can easily also edit the address. Now I can just manually enter address, or I could set up different addresses for different contact people. So if they were maybe at different branches at the company, or maybe this delivery didn't go to the customer, but it went to the customer's customer or whatever the case was. So let's go with that. Okay. All right. So, and then I can hit the print button and I get a delivery note that I can then email out to the customer or print. So for email, I get an email like this with PDF attached. All right, all these documents are customizable, so yeah, you can make the look and feel there as you require. Now, so let's do, so that was 500. So let's now go deliver the balance. So if I say new delivery, system will add a new delivery note for me and automatically do the balance. At this stage, I could edit the quantity again and so on. Now, the system can also do delivery labels for me for the boxes. So if I said there were maybe 20 magazines in a box, then the system, and then I can go and print a delivery label. So now you'll see, so I get labels like this. So box 1 of 75, 2 of 75, and it's got the address on and the description and all that sort of thing. Now, so that's how you do delivery notes. You'll see at the top here now, it also tells me that this is delivered complete. Same with the invoices. I can also split them and so forth, but it's basically the same as your delivery notes. So I can go invoice summary. Now I can have an itemized invoice as well. So maybe if this was a signage job or something that had a lot of different products on it. But yeah, again, that's all customizable. So you'll see here it generates an invoice with all the information on, and you can just send that to the customer. Now, Dolphin doesn't do payments and statements, but from here we export our invoices and our purchase orders to your accounting system. So we can go to Xero, QuickBooks, Maya, Pastel, most accounting packages we can export to. All right, so let's quickly move on to the stock control. I'll show you that. So we can see here the material that's required for this job. So that's come from the estimating system. And we can see how many sheets is required of this paper. And we can see here that we don't have any on hand. So I can tell the system, all right, let's quickly create an order for this paper. So I say order selected product. I can maybe override my quantity there, just make it a round quantity. And now I get an order over here. Now I can print this order off and send it to my supplier. Also, the system will automatically combine items onto an order for you as long as that order is open, in other words, you haven't sent it to the customer yet. So I can do the full stock control from here. So when that order arrives, I can actually receive it in and then I can issue it to the job. In this case, it will auto issue because I ordered it for the job. But yeah, so you might not always want that. You can just turn that tick on and off. So if I do that now, this item will automatically come in and out. So go into stock and be issued to the job. And then the system will keep track for you of all the material that's been issued to a job. So yes, so you can actually go through your list of all your items. You can see what stock you've got on hand, and then you can issue stock to this job. So yeah, so that's basically a quick overview of the production system, just to give you an idea of what it does. There's some few other tabs here, so you can see all the orders in the system, all the invoices, all the delivery notes, in case you wanted to filter by that.